These are the lines of fit notes for the Overland Trail unit. In real life, many situations aren't quite linear because there isn't a perfectly constant rate of change. For example, it's unrealistic to think that all families traveling west on the Overland Trail would have traveled the same distance each day. A family's daily travel distance would likely vary from day to day depending on weather, conditions, etc. The data set below is one such example. So we have the days since July 15th and miles from Fort Hall. And as you can see, periodically they would plot how many miles away they were. When a data set is almost linear like this, but not quite, you can draw in a line of best fit. So as we were trying to draw in a line of best fit, you would use your ruler and you would place it on the graph and you would try to follow the following tips. Number 1, follow the overall trend of the data. Number 2, be as close to all data points as possible. Hit 1 or 2 points exactly. And if you can't hit several ordered pairs, try to have the same number of points above and below your line. So here's a good and a bad example. In our good example, we have our line of best fit hitting the first point and the last point, almost touching the second and third for the first, and the 2 at the end as well. And we were able to have as many points above as below that don't hit the graph or the line exactly. Let's look at the bad example. So at this point, the student has exactly 4 points above and 4 points below, but we didn't hit any of the points exactly, and the trend of the data is more upwards at this angle, and so the line is not what you would consider a line of fit. It does not fit the data that was given. This concludes line of fit notes.